These are medications. Yeah, this is for cold. The soursop leaf. It's good for nerves. You have the peppermint. We have the ram goat dashalam. Wow. And we have over there we have the vervine. Wow. Oh.
The rasta one there is that
yeah, start, bro.
Get them.
Yeah, man, bring some beers. Yeah, man, respect. Yeah, man. Man, how's my brother? Yeah, man, everything blessed, man. Yeah, man. Boy, Jamaica. Hello. How you doing, all right? Oh, my God, imagine it. Eh? Yeah, man. You know, mind the on camera, brother, because me...
Chicken or look at them pick them off, man. One for right, one for right after this.
Yeah. Yes, man. Rasta, you're full of fruits, though. Yeah, man, look, I have a guava tree. No, not no. Yeah, them good? Let me eat one, bro. Yeah, man, respect. Star fruit. Very nice. Can you open it for us, please?
Yeah, go in for the
Thank you. You haven't got one. Oh my Lord. Nice, man. Shall I get one?
Yeah.
Rasta, you want a beer?
Yeah, man, thanks.
Yeah, man, have a beer, man.
Then she come up.
Yeah, man.
Alright, doing it, a little bit.
What kind of tree is this, Rasta?
Custard apple.
Apple tree, that's it, you know?
Hey,
Apple tree.
bro, this is nice, man. Huh?
And it's a gooseberry.
Man says a fruit tree. See fruit, eh?
What kind of tree that? Custard tree.
Custard apple.
Custard apple. Yeah, man. Respect.
Go away.
Let me a lighter.
I'm cold there. Come on, you have to go to this, you know. I'll run to. Put up inside already.
So it's nice, eh? Hold this now. Hold it. Hello.
It's good. Me just
What are you doing?
what you're saying. You're doing what you're saying. You're good. It's so cute.
Ross.
Oh, king man.
Rasta, this a vervine, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
You know this?
I want to jack me most.
These are my father used to use and drench donkey. When the donkey have a strain. What you use it for, Ross?
A cool we use it for.
The boiled tea with it? Yeah, man. When when my father used to do, man. When
Broke off piece.
yeah, man, broke off piece and a good thing, bro.
And the next one side of the jack now bush one of your salad.
Yeah, but
What's the baby plant?
yeah. Cause you have a time, you
Up
see.
this side, Papa.
Yeah. Yeah, what is now? You see that tree here?
It's a red stripe nice though.
You see that tree here? Me tell you about that tree here now.
Good man.
There are time when we overload the donkey and the donkey maybe a pee blood, yeah? My father used to boil it and give the donkey.
You know, I wish I'm good for that to cassava marble.
Yeah, man. You feel the mosquito then? You carry the mosquitoes here?
Yeah, but
Go and get some. Go and get the mosquito too.
And the next one,
Go and get some.
I got them to all the
I want to
Yes, get some screen from it, to bite me.
Well, if any cold they have baby, have cold and then something. Like the boil.
Boy. That's a jack in here, innit? How you see me know? That's Jack in here. Hello. Say hello to the camera. Say hello. Oh my God. Rasta.
No, go this way.
Rasta, let me tell you something. Many of us, we have a little country, Jamaica. We don't appreciate it, you know. Till we go abroad, you know.
Everybody want to run here.
Yeah, we used to when we go abroad and come back at that time because
That time you say,
yeah, because yeah, when you there abroad, you know, everything appeal them again. You know.
You have yourself food already? Oh, eat it, man. Eat it. Me have my one.
Natural remedy. Wow. Look at that. What type of fruit that apple tree? Any?
Apple on the one over there, so I start with no ripe on that.
Oh, the apple in the beer yet.
It's a blossom, and I put up beer in.
Seeing.
Then pick up the ripe on it, but I start with it now.
Yeah. So what's the name of this? What's the name of this?
This one here?
No, this name of this area.
Yes, a Bassazal, you know.
Bassazal. But that's still St. Thomas.
Yeah, man.
Still St. Thomas. Yes.
I'm back in a Portland.
Yeah. Oh, brother.
Every time, Papa, my just
boy, me just go round at the thing there. Run at the fountain there.
Yeah, man.
I'm telling you, feel fresh.
Yeah, man.
Believe me, I go round. We go round. We go round just for look, you know. I have all. But when me go round the man, me end up and me clothes me end up. Yes, man. Looking things great. Then I try to show you. That's why you see me have on the shorts here because tell me what. When me go up there, and my choices, and the man they may not beard with. But guess what? Yeah, man. But put some for me. But guess what now?
You know what? She run mosquito for yourself.
Guess what now, Ross? Me no mind me clothes wet up. Because it's a one-off opportunity that, you know.
Real, man.
And a healing water because I never know that where God good, you know. Fear give you hot and cold water same place, innit? It's a blessing. There is a blessing. This is not babe. This is lemon tree. Lime tree. Lime tree. Everything is here, man. Everything is here, man. God said, He said, give us the herb. Yeah, around, yes, sir. Yeah, man. Yeah, but Russ, there's a thing around here, yeah, where I heard about where with the runaway slave them. There's some tracks where them can actually walk from St. Thomas to in at the time.
About that side.
Yeah, about that side. Seeing. Because that's where them run in at the time of
one place they call Airfield. Quick you reach a Portland.
Because the runaway slave them used to walk through the hills, didn't it? Yeah, man.
I got to do some tiling work.
Yeah.
Man, I said 2 hours.
Yes. Yeah, man.
You reach in a Portland.
For real. I that you hear them I say. So what you do you know? You are set up for yeah, okay. Yeah, man, that's how you going on, my brother.
Man, one day I have to put up inside already now, just apply level show them up there. Yeah?
Okay. So you go a window level now, innit?
You know, say, and I shop in plan out this far.
What? Oh, you're turning around to shop?
Yeah, and I shop it in for B. But me never say I want to make a liquor office.
Yeah.
We work when do.
Yeah.
I almost put in a one bedroom, you know.
Yeah. But you always have space, can still make a shop if
yeah,
you...
man. No one will the shop inside. You know?
Yeah, man. Look at so. A peppermint, this, you know?
Yeah.
You see that?
And one I dandelion, this
man.
A tree of life.
Pick it and smell it. Peppermint.
A good mint, not man, make tea with that. Wow.
Smell it.
We are tall again. Auntie June. Go and pamper that Auntie June. Come and go work. Mad man, you can pick pizza, bring home and go make tea, man.
Cheers.
It's cheap. When you go in supermarket, it's cheap when you pay for one of the liquor pack. And that's not even the real thing you get. Yeah?
You know, broke some man and when you're ready to go up, you bag up him and
No, because when I there on a brownstone, I have one in the yard down there.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
When I go up, you bring some bushman.
Yeah, man.
Simian leaf and then
Yeah.
soursop leaf.
Yeah, where you get the soursop leaf?
Yeah, one tree there.
And noonie.
I don't know noonie and I noonie leaf on there.
So the soursop root, then say where the soursop good for now?
A nerve thing, man.
Good for your nerve. So me can boil it, innit?
Yeah, to boil, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, me have some height if you can give me some, please, you know. Yeah, man. So soursop. What me good for boil that with?
Anything you want, boil. Talk to Auntie, man. Never work.
Yeah,
go give it away.
Let me pick some thing.
Give mommy.
So we can pick some of this then?
You're free, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. This is... Yeah, man. Yes, man. Yes, man.
You take a big car, full back home, you know. Big car, full back home.
No, look here. These are things where you boil before me go back up and drink them. Yeah. Yeah, man. We can, yeah, man. Put them for dry. Okay, and carry them with me go back here.
Them when you go up, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Respect, man.
But you don't have to buy them, man.
Me not have to buy them, I tell you.
I make a sauce up here, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Because everybody talk about the sauce. What about the jackini?
Yeah, man. I'll give you.
Get a little bit of jackini, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yes, man. But look here, you don't even know. These are medicine. Ross, tell us that these are medicine, Ross. Where you going to the hospital for? Because maybe you're used to everything is pill, but these are what they make it from. What do you think they make pill?
That's my favorite bush one.
Which one is that? Eh?
Because I know him, all live and smell him.
What's the name of this one again?
I want the ram goat.
The ram.
Ram goat national. Ram goat national.
Yes. Yes, man. Is it? What do you think? These are where they make medication from, you know. Medication is from trees. That's the jackini.
Yeah, man. Any cold in your system, I drink.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Jackini. Yeah, man. Respect, man. Yeah, man. Yes.
Okay, this is what we literally come out to have a spa, yeah. We meet a Rasta man, and this is what it comes home with. Ready? We've got order.
These are medications. Yeah, this is for cold. The soursop leaf. It's good for nerves. You have the peppermint. We have the ram goat dashalam. Wow. And we have over there we have the vervine. Wow. This is good for cold. You have any cold in the system?
I have a cold.
Look down at the piece, right?
He's bringing back the whole jungle. Let
me tell you something.
Go on and tell the viewers something. And
Let me tell you something, viewers and subscribers. I live in Jamaica 24 years before I go to UK. And I never been to a doctor, never in my life. Because I grew up in the... Yeah.
Yeah, man, when I boil that one, you can boil him alone.
Yeah, yeah. What's the name of this one?
Let's tell the Ram Goat
National. Yeah. I never been to a doctor until today. I live in England for many years. I never been to the doctors. Never go to the doctor. Anything I see, the bush. The Bible said, behold, God said give us...
the cold and we're growing and then we drink for cold.
Yeah. The Bible said, God give us all the fruits and healing herbs for us. Because the thing is this, when I'm not saying that medication is bad, but most of the time pills mess up your kidney.
Side effect.
And give you side effect.
No bush can have side effect.
Yeah, no bush don't have side effect. Every medication, even the other day, look, you was taking those medication the other day.
Hurt my belly.
It hurt your belly. You give your diarrhea and all these things, yeah. But you will never have these things from.
And gave me stomach cramp.
And stomach cramp, yeah. Yeah, let me get a banana tree if you put it. So, because.
Let me go by the car. I go down and wash it.
Wash.
Babe, can you put them back?
Oh yeah. Let me use this car.
I think you're going to put them in the car first, because how much are you going to carry?
There's a man, right now there's a man in England, yeah? And she find the healing herb for prostate cancer. Yeah, man. Prostate cancer, the high blood pressure, and it's just bush. It's a Jamaican woman. Respect this man. Yeah, man. Come, let's go and pay for the video.
Come on, then.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So, what was your name again?
Steve.
Steve, yeah man, my name is Joe and this is Aisha.
I'm Aisha. Nice to meet you.
Yeah man.
Hey, babe, I told you beer.
Yeah, no one of you.
You know, I said hold it because it's slipping out my hand.
Where's the lady for the beer? Where's the lady?
Yeah.
Huh?
Lady.
Where's the lady? I want to pay for the beer. Prince!
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, where's the lady?
Sorry.
Natty. Well, go on. Man, every time, man. Yeah, man. Yo, brother, Natty, look here. Me good to gun, man, brother. Me I say, yo. Let's drive them, I will carry them back with me. You understand? And drink them, you understand? Yeah, man. You see, just I tell my missus here, say, look, when I was living in this country, I'd never been to the doctor. Now I live in England many years, and I've never been to the doctor. Like, you know, serious illness. You know what I mean? But this is life. This is life, man. Yeah, man. This is true life, man. What kind of tree is that? Oh, it's a cherry tree. This place that just full, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You want to drink, Brass? What do you want to drink? My love, give the Natty a double shot around.
Should I do that? Because I come in and know where I'm there.
Another call the other white stone,
Whenever you choose the one.
Yeah. Charge it. So how much you know? How much you know, you know?
1600.
You charge for the rum, yeah?
The whole bush.
The man may not beat me in my clothes.
A mint.
Everything else.
The man may not beat me in my clothes, so look at me there.
It's a nice one.
Why, God, no, me no. You see, when God can put hot and cold water one place.
You can't drink that so much cold bush.
You know, let me go, you see?
Play my arm.
You see? You hear that, babe? You hear that?
Mine. Shoes on me.
That's why sometimes don't watch money.
The shoes? I don't need them more.
I can feel the energy, man. Feel it. You never know say these things in Jamaica. Yeah, man. A peace and love, my brother. And manners, yeah? Love every time.
See ya.
Take care of yourself, yeah? God bless you, yeah?
Thank you. Come in.
Steve! See you later, man. Yes, thank you.
Bye.
Later, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but that's the spread. I need this. You take the GoPro.
Place and they welcome anybody.
Yeah, man. Good people, them, man. You know, Jamaica, this, man. Jamaica people are nice people, you know.
Welcome anybody.
Jamaica people are nice people, man.
I don't want to say Paris, I come and tap and drink here.
Yeah, man.
Right now, yeah.
You love the vibes. Acres of chocolate. You see that? Is it? Acres of chocolate. No, sir. Yeah. The best thing you do. So next, we have to go up online and check out. I wonder if we stop in the St. Thomas, we could have left St. Thomas, go to Portland. Instead of go to Portland, is that, and then all of us could have go together.
Yeah, man.
That me I think, innit? So what you say is best thing. Alright, now look the now go up online and check the Airbnb online. It's the St. Thomas. See the code, eh?
Hotel.
Airbnb. Like a little hotel there.
Villa.
Eh? Yeah, man, host Airbnb, yeah.
Yeah, I'm nice on that St. Thomas.
Yeah, man.
I don't want to see a Portland, I'm nice and can't care though.
Yeah. No, but me mean to say, we want one if you're gonna come with us.
Yeah, that's why I tell us I have when I stay one time, sometime.
A Portland.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Man. Nice, and where you go?
Up that one enough, yo. Virgin.
Nice, clean.
Yeah. And my Rambo look on, yo. I have some jack off, we come feeding cow them. Eh?
Want to get up and
Yeah, man. You need done, man. You know, man. Look at man. Yo, I want to, you come back at them place, man. At them place, you want to come cut grass. If you raise goat, at the best place, you can one man come, a couple of man with you come chop down grass and full up your cow. A good, them place, a good place to live in, man. 10 Thomas, you know.
I can't beat it, you know. She can't talk now.
Yeah. My brace. A good, look here, man. Look on grass. So all you have to do, you do someone truck, you know. I have 2 man with you, you know. You come chop you and load up your cow, man.
Yeah, people come chop gas and say.
Yeah, man. Look it. No matter what me do when me come back to Jamaica, me have to have some farming now. Because livestock. Yeah, man. And look on long time. It's like it's a Land Rover kind of van. family. See, this is more like this trip where the son take me out on today, not even $1 million. Appreciate it. And you really take the time out for show us this part because I never even heard about this place. Really appreciate it, Prince.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. I want to go and say like the man.